To use a go-to cash feature for booking, start by typing the website into your web browser and searching for it. The first option will likely be the official website, which you should click on to access the homepage. From there, locate the login button and enter your email and password information. Once logged in, you'll see various sections, including your profile, photos, homes, transport, coupons, and deals. Click on your profile name, typically found in the right corner, and select the Go to Cash option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page displaying your available balance, as well as sections for redeemed and expired cash. To earn Go to Cash, book on the website and look for a specific icon indicating how much cash you'll earn. You can then redeem your cash on eligible bookings during the payment process. Simply check your account page to find your available balance and spend it as needed. The process is designed to be easy, allowing you to earn, redeem, and save money effortlessly.